Hello, my name is Young Akolache Barnabas, and today we are looking at the spelling rules. So far, so good. We have done almost three. The first spelling rule, we said that every English word should contain at least a vowel. And the second rule, we said that every English word in each syllable, there should be one vowel. Or we said the second rule states that there should be one vowel or there should be a vowel in every syllable word. Now let's look at the third rule. The third rule, we talk about the C rules. So C has two basic rules. The first rule is that the C says K, and the second one is that the C says S sound. So the C make S when it is followed by I, E, or Y. Then the rest are all the K sound. The C makes the K sound. Let's look at today's lesson. Today we are looking at the G rule. G, G. The G says G, G, G. Then the G rules, we are saying that G can say G, G can say G or G. Two sounds. Just like the C can make K and S, G can also make two basic sounds. They are, the first one is G. That is a normal standard sound, the general one. And the next one is J, J. So we call it the hard G and the soft G. Now let's see. G says J before an E, I, or Y. So if you understand the concept of the C sound, definitely you will understand the concept of the G sound. Let's move on. Now we are looking at some examples to verify our claim. The first example is the word gem, gem, gem. You see, G is followed by E, and therefore it should make the J, J, J sound. So we have the J, gem, gem, gem. The next one is giant, giant, giant. So if you look at the word giant, the G is followed by an I, therefore it should make the J, 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 J sound, like the sound of J. So it makes the giant sound, it makes the J, J sound. So we have an example as giant. First one is followed by E, and the second one is followed by I. The last one is gym. If you look at the word gym, the J is immediately followed by the letter Y, and therefore it falls under the rule that this time the G should make the sound J, J, J. So we have the gym, J, A, M, gym, gym, gym. Let's look at the other rule, the second rule. It says that is the G makes the normal sound, that is the G sound. Let me write for you. G makes the G sound before everything else. And we have an example like, you see, G is followed by A, not E, not I, not Y. Therefore, it should make the regular sound G, G, or the hard G, garden. Then we have the next one, glad. G is followed by L. Therefore, there's no E, there's no an I, and there's no Y. So therefore, it should make the G, G, the hard sound, the hard G, G, G. So the G makes the sound glad, G, G, glad. So we have garden, glad. We'll end here. See you. Bye.